Hi, I am here with Dr. Krystal Carey, and she just attended my 2-day virtual workshop, Step into the Expert Spotlight and Sell. And she has uh, said that she would give a testimonial about the value that she gained from that workshop. So, Dr. Krystal Carey, thank you for being on here with me. I appreciate you so much.
I'm just so honored to know you and be on this. Of course, we met in a different program, and to get to see what you are doing just blew my mind. The value that you give in one workshop is like, it's life-changing for people. I think it can set them on a new trajectory in their lives. I think anyone who is into business, who wants to take things to the next level, they definitely need to get in and get on your workshop, because that was so brilliant. And I just love what you're doing, and you're so amazing, such a wonderful role model.
Oh, thank you so much. A lot of people think coming to a free virtual event is not going to be value, but you would disagree with that.
Oh, totally. I feel like this expanded my mind to a completely different direction that could cause me to go much faster and much bigger than I was originally planning. So I'm super grateful for that. And I love what you're doing. I'm so grateful to know you, Anne.
Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing. I appreciate it.